Guys, mag-unboxing na siya. When he was still a little child, he woke up very early in the morning and he was so excited to visit the Christmas tree, check what Father Christmas put in the socks. But now that he is already 12 years old,
He went to bed at 2:30.
he went to bed at 2:30. Okay, you have to sit.
We're gonna open. Let's start with the little to the biggest. Let's hope I don't break this box. Wait. Metal case liquid filled lens compass. Your direction projector. It's a compass. It's like the compass from Winnie the Pooh. The compass.
He's paying attention. What is the next present? He's paying attention, Daddy.
Adventure watch. It's a watch. How long since I have ever had a watch?
One every year since they do it. Just losing or breaking.
Look, Kaka got a watch. Look. Oh.
Wait, you know it? Let's do this one. Because I promised.
He's
smaller
paying
to bigger.
attention. Look.
A new flashlight. Better for flash the light at the bats, even though I'm terrified at bats.
Start going on the hash.
He's looking. He's looking.
Oh, wait. Where's the charging? Is it this one?
Maybe.
Oh, no. Okay, this is kind of bright.
Look, look, look.
Okay.
Use that charger.
Okay. Now, this one. Okay, you know what?
That's it. Okay. Okay then.
What's this?
Where is my present?
Bushnell. Tomorrow, okay? I got binoculars. How do I open this? It's a tape. Binoculars. We got the binoculars. It needs like a better adjustment. Okay, so which one is smaller, this one or this one?
That one.
Alright, they're both the same, but let's start with the red one.
That's from the Filipino friends. Gali and who's that?
Right?
Brent and
I forgot. Ooh, what's these?
wow, nice color.
It's the universe. That's what it's called. Okay, now the pink one. Wait, hold on, let me just. Where's the compass? There. And the watch. Don't forget the shirt. And open the pink one.
Stay there.
Another shirt.
Oh,
Or is it pants? Yeah, it's pants. 2 pants. I think this is Nike.
what?
I think this is Nike.
Nike.
Hey, Dad, I got
Adidas.
your swimming shirt pants. Okay, now this one. Alpha, I need your help. Open this.
Come on.
Bite it.
Ah.
I think he's too shy. Maybe he smells some socks, that's why. And these are so many socks. A sharpener.
Sharpener.
Oh. This is an eraser. Two erasers, batteries, and another flashlight.
Okay. You got a lot of flashlight.
Now for the big boy. Oh, wait a minute. Nail clippers? Dad, you give this?
I'm going to have to borrow mine.
Okay. Now for the big one.
Run up to the tape.
What is that? Meryy? Broke!
New shoes. Wait, what size are they?
Meryy?
Apparently they don't have any size thing. Oh wait.
Well, you don't need a size. The best way of finding out is put your foot in it.
You're so lucky to have broke shoes. OMG. Kakak ada broke shoes. Put the other one. Wow. The shoes is so good. What a broke shoes. You are so lucky to have broke shoes. Is it comfy? So he finished his unboxing. What you gonna say?
Thank you to all the people that gave me the presents. I really thank you all. Have a nice day and I love you. And these here, ladies and gentlemen, are all my presents. Have a wonderful day. Bye.